Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I am so happy you're here. Today's video is a tag. It is the summer favorites tag that was started by the wonderful Leo Lion LV, who tagged me in it, and I thank you so much, Linda, for tagging me. This was super fun to put together and really think about the things that I haven't showed you that I'm loving, because I have done a summer tag already. If you haven't checked that video out, I'll leave it in the description box. But this one is a little bit different, has some different things in it, so I'm excited to get in and get started. So I am looking down at my iPad just to be able to answer the questions in the right order. The first question is your favorite summer outfit. And this year I have been living in just tees, plain white tees, plain black tees, or like graphic tees, and ripped jeans. So I will do like a mod shot of that. So I have really just been living in like loose, flowy tees. And then I'm gonna point the camera down so you can kind of see my jeans. I don't have, you're not gonna be able to see them like this. So, and then just like ripped jeans, which I think are cute, comfy. So yeah, this is what I have been living in this summer. And please excuse my hair, guys. I'm having a crazy hair day, but I'm trying to wear it down as much as possible so I don't get a kink in it from it being up in a ponytail. So the next question is favorite summer shoes. And really, I've just been living in sandals, like slip-on shoes or sandals, any kind, whatever. I have like Nike comfortable flip-flops or just plain black, you know, like leather flip-flops. So question 3 is favorite sunglasses. And of course they are my Ray-Ban Sunnies. I've showed these plenty of times. I just love them. They have a mirrored lens, so I'm trying not to blind you, but I just think they're super. Okay, so question 4 is favorite handbag or wallet, and I decided to show something that I absolutely am in love with, but I don't feel like I show it enough, give it enough attention and love on my channel, so I thought this was a great time to show you this again. It is my Chanel Zippy coin. I have it in the black caviar leather with the gold hardware, and I just think it is gorgeous. It fits so much. I've got tons of cards and receipts and, you know, just tons of stuff in here. It fits like pretty much everything a full-size wallet would fits in here. You just have to pare it down a little bit, and I have always been a full wallet person, but this is just really all I need now, and I absolutely love it. Question is favorite SLG. This was a no-brainer for me. It is my Louis Vuitton mini pochette. I only have it in the monogram canvas, but I do plan on adding it in the other two as well at some point, because 9 times out of 10 I grab this and go, especially in the summer when it's hot and I don't want to have my big bag on my shoulder or on my wrist. I just want something light and easy. This also fits down nicely into my laptop bag for work. I also will throw it in my Toiletry 26 for like going out, because I do have my card case in here and my clay with my keys. Okay, so the next question is perfume or cologne, and this probably won't come as a surprise to you if you've watched my videos at all. I am obsessed with Coco Mademoiselle. I plan on getting the full-size bottle. I just haven't even thought about it the last couple times I've ordered. So the next question is favorite chapstick or lipstick, and I decided not to go with a lip gloss. I'm normally a lip gloss girl, but the lipstick that I've been using the most this summer definitely is my Chanel Rouge Coco Balm. This is in number 116 Mighty, and I actually have it on now. It is a beautiful Barbie pink, but it comes out a lot more sheer than it is in the tube, which is perfect because it gives you that little bit of like bright pink fun. It's like my Miami color, I feel like, and it's such a smooth, soft texture, but you still get the fun of the pink and the Chanel. Favorite things to do during the summer months. We love to travel in the summer. We love to be at the beach or the pool. If we're in Miami, we're definitely at the beach. Sometimes we do go to the lake here as well, and but most of the time we're at the pool, just swimming, letting the kids have a good time, playing outside, just being outdoors at any time is our favorite thing to do. Do you have any fun trips planned for this summer? We already did Miami. We've gone a few places like in northern Michigan, like to the lake, so that has been fun. We are planning on going on a little vacation here coming soon for my son's birthday and taking him to an indoor water park. So that will be fun, and staying a couple nights there. And then we also, actually, I am going by myself. This year I turned 30, guys. I'm so excited. And myself and a few of my girlfriends, and also my mom and my aunt, who are super fun. Oh my gosh, you guys would love them. One day I will introduce you to them on my channel. We're all going to Miami. So I'm super excited. We're staying in a hotel right on South Beach. So it'll just be super fun. Question is your favorite ice cream flavor in the summer? And mine definitely, you're gonna think I'm crazy, is Superman. His favorite summer jewelry piece. I don't change my jewelry up much. You guys know what I wear. I have a couple little thin bracelets, a cross, and Evil Eye. Then I have my Tiffany's, Return to Tiffany's, you know, little tag. I have my Movado watch, my wedding set, and other than that, I don't wear a ton of jewelry. Last question is, do you have a bonus item to share? And I absolutely do. If you've watched my most recent video, you will know exactly what this is. It is this baby right here, my newest acquisition, my Chanel caviar leather chevron. I am obsessed with chevron. I don't know if I have shared this with you guys, but I am absolutely obsessed with chevron. I want chevron everything. So this is my first chevron piece from Chanel. Maybe my first chevron piece at all. It is the shiny, like almost glittery looking caviar from, I don't know, it's a 24 series. I can't remember which season that was, but look at how gorgeous that is. It just shines. It has silver hardware, which I think is fun because my other Chanel card holder has the gold hardware and is the traditional quilting, which I absolutely love that one too. I just think this one is so fun and like hip, updated. So I really, really am obsessed with it and enjoying it. And so that's my bonus item to share with you guys. If you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so you get updated when I put out a new video. And thank you so much for watching, so much for sticking through this video with me. I want to thank Linda, Leo Lion LV. If you're not already watching her, I don't know what you're waiting for because her channel is amazing. Thanks for tagging me, girl. I appreciate it. This was a really fun tag to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and tag a few people. I would love to tag Lily LV, Shatanya the Realtor, Sheree Lewis, Lux of Paris, Dre Lux TV. I would love to see all you guys do this video. I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.